Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors and the crochet hook in size 6 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6. So I will start by chaining 72. So now that I've chained 72, I'll make sure that my chain is not twisted. And this is our foundation chain. Now on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. And now I will chain 3. This is row 1. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain. I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1, right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. And this is row 1. Now for row 2 I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this 3 chain loop, through this V-stitch, insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 3 chains beginning of row plus 4 double crochet, and that gives us 5 double crochet in total. And now I'll chain 1, then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. I'll chain 1, 3 chain loop, I'll make 5 double crochet. Then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2 I will chain 1, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this 1 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 6, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains into this 3rd chain. I'll make 1 double crochet. Right here through this 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 double crochet chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish row 3, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.